Good morning students. This is a video class 2, that is a matrix class 2. In first class we have discussed matrix and the types of matrix. The rest of the matrix today we have discussed scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. So what is scalar matrix? A square matrix capital A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be scalar matrix if Aij is equal to k, but k not equal to 0. K not equal to 0 belongs to R, and 0 for I equal to j, and 0 for I not equal to j. That is Aij is equal to k, but k not equal to 0 for I is equal to j, and Aij is equal to 0 for I not equal to j. That means all the diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. Now square matrix का हमने scalar matrix कहते हैं तो diagonal element are same number of element here and the non-diagonal element are 0. So every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not a scalar matrix. For example, 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. So this is a scalar matrix because all the diagonal elements are equal number, which is not equal to 0, and the except diagonal element all are 0. And another example, 1 by 2 0 0 1 by 2. This is also scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. So what do we mean by identity matrix? A square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be identity matrix if Aij equal to 1 for I is equal to j and 0 for I not equal to j. I is equal to j. I equal to j means all the diagonal elements are 1 and the non-diagonal element are 0. For example, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the identity matrix and it is the order 3, so it can be denoted as I3. And another example, 1 0 0 1. This is also identity matrix of order 2 and this is denoted by I2. The other name of identity matrix is also unit matrix. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Identity matrix is also known as a unit matrix. Means all the diagonal elements are 1 and the non-diagonal element are 0. Next, null matrix or genomatrix. Null matrix, a matrix whose all the elements are 0. All the elements are 0. Each called non matrix or zero matrix or zero matrix. For example, 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is a non matrix of order 2 cross 3, or also 0 0 0 0. This is also non matrix. Non matrix is denoted by bold letter 0 or 0 0 means non matrix. All the elements are 0 is called the non matrix. Next, negative matrix. Negative matrix. So what do we mean by negative matrix? Let A is equal to Aij of order n cross n be a matrix, be a matrix of order n cross n, then minus A is called negative matrix. Negative matrix of A, where minus A is equal to minus of A means Aij of order n cross n, which is equal to minus of Aij of order n cross n. That is obtained, which is obtained by negative sign of the matrix, means you have to multiply minus sign to all the element of the matrix. Negative matrix means we multiply negative in each element of that matrix. That will be negative matrix. Next, for example, 2 3 4 5 6 7 or minus 5 6 minus 6. So its negative matrix is equal to, we multiply negative sign or minus sign to each elements of that matrix. So this is equal to minus 2, yeah, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and 7. And this is called the negative matrix of that A. Upper triangular matrix. A square matrix capital A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j, that is, for example, 2 4 minus 5 7, then 0 3 9 minus 2, then 0 0 8 minus 10, then 0 0 0 1 or 14. This is called upper triangular matrix, and this is called diagonal element. Or another way we can also say that upper triangular matrix means a square matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix if all the elements below to the main diagonal are 0. All the elements below to the principal diagonal element are 0, then that matrix is called upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular means diagonal element of below part of the 0th angle, that is called upper triangular matrix. Next, lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. What is lower triangular matrix? A square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I less than j. That is, for example, means The lower part will be a number, upper part be a 0. That means aij is equal to 0 for I less than j. Like then 4 0 0 0 minus 3 2 0 0 7 8 9 0 4 minus 2 3 7. This is a lower angular matrix because all the elements are 0 above the principal diagonal. Above the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal or main diagonal ro upper part jodi 0 thibo, lower part ta number thibo, that is called lower angular matrix. Lower angular means lower part ta number hoyo, upper part ta 0 hoyo. This is the upper angular matrix of order. Sorry, this is the lower angular matrix of order 4. Or another example, lower angular matrix 5 0 0, then 7 8 0 6 minus 9 3. This is also lower angular matrix. Here this is the diagonal element. Diagonal element, upper part is 0, lower part is not a 0. So this is called lower angular matrix. Next we go to triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. So triangular matrix means a square matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n cross n is said to be triangular matrix. Triangular matrix if it is either upper triangular or lower triangular. If it is either upper triangular or lower triangular, then जो square matrix था either upper triangular matrix है क्यों कि lower triangular matrix है क्यों, that is called a triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means diagonal element to upper part number होइबो, lower part 0 होइबो, means upper triangular. Lower triangular matrix means lower part number hoibo, upper part 0 hoibo, that is called lower triangular. This is lower triangular, lower part number hoibo, upper part 0 hoibo. Upper triangular matrix means upper part number hoibo, lower part 0 hoibo, that is called triangular matrix. Either it is a lower triangular or upper triangular matrix. Next, algebra of matrices. First is equality of matrices. Two matrices A equal to Aij of order n cross n and B is equal to Bij of order p cross q are said to be equal if they have the same order. If number one, they have same order, that is m is equal to p and n is equal to q. The number of rows of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix, and number of columns of the first matrix is also equal to number of columns of the second matrix. Number two, corresponding elements of both matrix are equal. Both matrix are equal. Corresponding element dina matrix on ketole equal koiba तेतल दीना का मैट्रिक्स रो ऑर्डर टा सेम थिबो आ corresponding element समान थिबो, that is called equality of the matrix. For example, find x and y if 2 minus x get 3 4 7y plus 2 is equal to 0 3, 4 minus 9. So, answer. If these two matrices are equal, then what will be the value of x and y? Here this one is equality of a matrix. The order of the first matrix is 2 cross 2 and the second matrix is also 2 cross 2. So order is equal and means this will be equal. Corresponding element are equal. That means 2 minus x will be 0. Here 3 is the same. Here 4 is the same. And 7y cross 2 will be equal to minus 9. So two matrices are equal here. 2 minus x is equal to 0 and 7y plus 2 is equal to minus 9. Find out the value of x and y. That implies x is equal to 2 and 7y equal to minus 9 and minus 2. That means 7y is equal to minus 11. That implies y is equal to minus 11 by 7. So in this way you have to find the value of x and y by using equality of matrices. Next, addition and subtraction. So the addition of two matrices are possible. Addition and subtraction of two matrices are possible if they have the same order. And the addition will be obtained by adding the corresponding element of the both matrix. And the subtraction of the matrix are possible by subtract the corresponding element of the both matrix. For example, let A is equal to Aij be a matrix of order m cross n and B is equal to Bij be a matrix of order m cross n also. And addition the capital possible hobo diraga matrix ro order ta same roya padibo. If the order of the matrix are not equal, then the addition subtraction are not possible. So addition and subtraction possible have only order ta same roya padibo. So we take the example of the same order of the matrix. Let A equal to Aij be a matrix of order m cross n and B equal to Bij be a matrix of order m cross n. Then A plus B is equal to Aij plus Bij of order m cross n. So addition will be obtained by adding the corresponding element of the both matrix. दीटा मैट्रिक्स रो corresponding element सहित तमे ऐड करियो. And the subtraction will be obtained Aij minus Bij of order m cross n. ततरो subtraction करियो corresponding element सहित माइनस करियो, ऐड कलाडु corresponding element सहित ऐड करियो. That is, let A is equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 be a matrix of order. Here this is the order is of A is 2 cross 3 and B is equal to P1 Q1 R1 P2 Q2 R2. So its order is also 2 cross 3. A and B are the same order, so the addition is obtained and the addition will be A plus B is equal to, how can you obtain A plus B? By adding the corresponding element of the both matrix. That means A1 को P1 से ऐड करियो, B1 को Q1 से ऐड करियो, C1 को R1 से ऐड करियो. So A1 plus P1 है and this is the B1 plus Q1. Here C1 plus R1. Similarly, A2 को P2 से ऐड करियो, A2 plus P2. Here B2 plus Q2. Here C2 plus R2. Here A plus B and A minus B is equal to subtraction, means you have to subtract the corresponding element of the both matrix. Corresponding element सहित तब subtract करियो. A1 minus B1 है, A1 minus B1, ये B1 minus Q1, C1 को R1 minus करियो, C1 minus R1. Similarly A2 minus B2, A2 minus B2, ये B2 minus Q2. Here C2 minus R2. This is the addition and this is the subtraction. After addition, the order of the addition matrix will be equal to the order of A and B, and the order of the subtraction of the matrix is also equal to order of A and B. So these matrix addition करला परे बा सब्ट्रैक्शन कला पर जो दिरा मैट्रिक्स बाहरियो तार ऑर्डर टा मध्य ए और बी रो ऑर्डर संगे इक्वल हबो सो एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन इज पॉसिबल इफ दे हैव मस्ट बी सेम ऑर्डर properties of addition and the subtraction of the matrices so what are the properties number 1 the matrix addition matrix addition is commutative matrix addition is commutative that is a plus b is equal to b plus a number 2 matrix addition is associative matrix addition is associative that is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c provided a and b and c are the same order number 3 for any matrix a plus non matrix that is the zero matrix is equal to 0 matrix plus a for every matrix a तो a plus 0 is equal to a तो जे कोनोसी मैट्रिक्स सहित आमे जदि नॉन मैट्रिक्स ऐड कराबो you will get the same matrix so zero matrix is called additive identity null matrix is called additive identity number 4 a plus minus a so what is minus a is called negative matrix of a so a minus a is equal to we get null matrix and a सहित जो minus a matrix तो ऐड करिया तो null matrix आइबो so this will be also minus a plus a so zero matrix is called additive inverse sorry minus a is called additive inverse तो जे कोनोसी matrix सहित तार negative matrix ऐड करले zero matrix आइबो so minus a is called additive inverse and zero matrix is called additive identity matrix but matrix subtraction is not commutative a minus b is not equal to b minus a in general matrix addition is commutative but subtraction of the two matrices are not commutative scalar multiple of a matrix so what is the scalar multiplication of a matrix let a equal to aij the matrix of order m cross n and k belongs to r be a scalar then k into a is called scalar multiple of the matrix is called scalar multiple this matrix k into a is called a scalar multiple where k into a is equal to k into aij of order n cross n and this is equal to k into aij of order m cross n which is obtained by multiplying k to every elements of the matrix A. Scalar multiple means you have to multiply k to each element of that matrix. तो मैट्रिक्स सहित गोटे स्केलर टी मल्टीप्लाई करिया मींस से मैट्रिक्स रो सब जागा एलिमेंट तुमको मल्टीप्लाई करिया पड़ियो फॉर एग्जांपल 2 into 4 5 6 9 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 4. So this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. तो ए मैट्रिक्स रो जो हम 2 मल्टीप्लाई करिया मींस ए मैट्रिक्स रो सब जगह एलिमेंट 2 मल्टीप्लाई करियो. So this is 8, here 10 and this is 12, here 18 asla 6 minus 4, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 4 8. So this is the order 3 cross 3. So this is the scalar multiple of the matrix. So to take one example, let A is equal to this matrix and B is also this matrix. Then find 2A minus 3B. 2A minus 3B matrix रो बेंडा केता आसो. अच्छा हमको बाहर करिया पड़ियो 2A minus 3B. 2 into A minus 3 into B. 3B. So this is 2 into, write the value of A, the matrix A. 3 minus 2 4 minus 1 6 minus 7 minus 3 into B. So B means here minus 5 7 2 6 8 minus 3. So this is equal to A matrix. So first 2 multiply कर दियो. तो 2 multiply करिया means सब जगह एलिमेंट multiply करिया. 2 into 3 6 हला, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 हला, 2 into 4 8. ये 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 6 12, ये minus 14 minus बटन 3 से तो मल्टीप्लाई करो. So 3 into minus 5 minus 15, ये 21, ये 6, 3 6 18, 3 into 8 24, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So we subtract the first matrix and the second matrix. प्रथम subtraction कराबो, corresponding element से तो subtract करियो. ये 6 minus of minus 15, so this is equal to plus 15. Here minus 4 minus 21. Here 8 minus 6. Here minus 2 minus 18, 12 minus 24, then minus 14, minus of minus 9, this is the plus 9. So this is equal to 15 plus 6, 21, then minus 25, 8 minus 6 is 2, minus 20, here 12 minus 24, minus 12, here minus 14 plus 9, minus 5. So this is the value of 2A minus 3B. Properties of scalar multiple. Let A and B are two matrices of same order K and L are scalars. K and L are scalar. Then number 1, K into A plus B. K is a scalar and A and B are two matrices of the same order. So K into A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. Similarly, K into A minus B is also K into A minus K into B. Number 3, K plus L into A. K into A plus L into A. Next, K into L into A. So K into LA is equal to KL into A. KL into A, and which is equal to L into K. L into KA. 1 into A. So this is equal to A. But minus 1 into A. So this is minus A. And 0 into A matrix. 0 into A is equal to 0 matrix. So 0 into A is equal to 0 matrix, not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. 0 matrix.